team, are you ready? Okay, DNA will start in 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Hey guys, just chill right there. Just wipe down your old hit. Wipe down your old hits.
Wipe down?
Yeah, just wipe it down.
Second wave?
Yeah, there's gonna be a second wave. Don't go anywhere. Alright, all you come over here. If you were on the bottom, I'll put you in that second wave. You going back in? Yeah. Alright, cool. You know the drill.
Huh?
You know the drill, right? Move up here, guys.
We gotta go back down there, right?
Yeah. Oh, no, you can just start right here. Just start right here. It's easier this way because we've done that and everyone got shot going down there. So. Alright. Second wave. Are you all ready? You're just going to run in from here and head in there, okay?
Okay.
Alright, are you ready? Second wave. Okay, second wave. Go in now. Go, go, go. Get over it, get over it. Hey guys, you can just chill in that net, just put your barrel covers on, okay? Put your barrel covers on before you go in the net. Can you make sure they put their barrel covers on? Alright, yep. It's right on the tip of your hopper right there. Just don't point it at me, I'm afraid I won't get shot. Put your barrel cover on before you go in that net. Yeah, boys, put your barrel cover on before you go in that net, okay? Just put your barrel cover on, you can go chill in that net with the rest of them. We'll be done in a little bit.
Watch the right bunker. One guy in the right bunker.
There's two in the center.
Guys, just put your barrel covers on before you go in that net.
Yeah. Love you, Chico.
Yeah.
Love you too. What's up?
Hopper hit there in the front. Hey, show your ref the gun.
Let me see your gun real quick, dude. Point it towards me. Just point it towards me. Yep. Alright, you're out, dude. It's on your hopper.
Huh?
You got hit on your hopper. Tip your hopper. Tip your hopper. Top of it. The top of your hopper.
That gotta be from the last game. I've been in the back the whole time.
Huh?
That's gotta be from the last game. I've been in the back the whole time.
You could have got shot.
Huh?
You could have got shot, dude.
Bro, I was on the boat. I just moved right now.
Yeah, left side.
Yeah. Alright, dude.
Wipe it off there.
Just because you don't have any paint, I'm gonna let you stay.
Thank you.
Oh,
Just wipe. No, look at this pods. There's nothing in there. Top your hopper. Just wipe that top. Alright, you're good. You're good. Oh, they're moving up now.
Hello?
Watch out, guys. You're gonna get hit.
I'm in war right now. I can't really tell. Gonna have to call you back.
Is that everybody up there?
No, this is more.
Is anybody left up here?
Yeah, two.
Two? Where? Is anybody left over there?
Yeah, one inside the bunker.
Right here.
Alright. Want me to keep recording or here? Unless you want it. I got you running up, dude. It's still recording.
Yeah, still recording.